Have you ever wondered why many Japanese people stay slim even without spending hours in the gym? The answer isn't a secret diet or a miracle product. It's a few simple daily habits backed by science. Today, you'll discover 5 Japanese habits that can help support healthy weight loss and reduce belly fat naturally. Millions of people struggle with belly fat, trying crash diets, intense workouts, and expensive supplements. Yet many overlook the small daily habits that make the biggest difference. Belly fat isn't just about appearance. Excess abdominal fat is linked to a higher risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and other health problems. Before we begin, it's important to understand that no food, drink, or single habit can magically melt belly fat overnight. Real fat loss happens through a consistent calorie deficit and healthy lifestyle choices repeated over time. What makes these Japanese habits so effective isn't that they're extreme, but that they're simple enough to practice every day. Japanese culture focuses less on temporary diets and more on building a healthy lifestyle. Instead of asking, how can I lose weight fast? The focus is, how can I live healthier every day? Modern research supports this approach, showing that small, sustainable habits are often far more effective than extreme short-term diets. While genetics do influence body shape, your daily choices have a much greater impact than most people realize. Imagine improving your health one small habit at a time. Each habit may seem insignificant on its own, but together they can completely transform your body and your health. Now that you understand the science, let's explore the 5 Japanese habits that have helped generations maintain a healthy weight. The very first one is so simple that most people completely overlook it. The first habit comes from Okinawa, Japan, and it's called Hara Hachi Bu, which simply means eating until you're about 80% full. This practice gives your brain enough time to recognize that you're satisfied, helping you avoid overeating. Your stomach doesn't instantly tell your brain that it's full. That process can take around 20 minutes. By slowing down and stopping before you're completely full, you naturally reduce your calorie intake without feeling deprived. The second habit is walking every day. You don't need exhausting workouts to improve your health. Regular walking burns calories, improves heart health, and supports long-term fat loss. Many Japanese people naturally stay active by walking to nearby places, taking the stairs, and moving throughout the day. These small movements may seem insignificant, but together they burn hundreds of extra calories every week. The third habit is drinking green tea. Green tea contains natural compounds called catechins, which may slightly increase fat oxidation and energy expenditure. While green tea isn't a miracle drink, replacing sugary beverages with green tea or water can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake. The fourth habit is eating more whole foods such as vegetables, fish, rice, tofu, beans, and fruit. Traditional Japanese meals are balanced, nutritious, and naturally filling, making it easier to eat fewer calories without constantly feeling hungry. The fifth habit may surprise you: getting enough quality sleep. Poor sleep disrupts hormones that regulate hunger and appetite, making cravings much stronger the next day. Good sleep helps your body maintain a healthy metabolism and supports better food choices. None of these habits work like magic on their own, but when combined, they create a healthy lifestyle that's much easier to maintain over the long term. Now you know the 5 habits, but knowing them isn't enough. In the final part, you'll learn how to fit these habits into your daily routine in a simple, realistic way so they become automatic and last for years. Remember, you don't need to change your entire life overnight. The biggest mistake most people make is trying to follow every healthy habit at once, only to give up a few days later. Instead, start with just one habit and repeat it until it becomes part of your daily routine. Healthy people don't rely on motivation. They rely on simple routines that make good choices automatic. Don't worry if you have an occasional bad day or miss a workout, because one mistake won't ruin your progress. What matters is getting back on track as quickly as possible. One powerful habit you can start today is eating more slowly. Giving your brain time to recognize that you're full can naturally reduce overeating without counting every calorie. You also don't need to spend hours in the gym. Walk more, take the stairs, stretch during the day, and look for small opportunities to move your body. These tiny movements add up over time. Another secret is to design your environment so healthy choices become easy. Keep water, fruits, vegetables, and green tea within reach, and make unhealthy snacks less convenient. Most importantly, be patient. Real fat loss doesn't happen overnight. Just like a bamboo tree takes time to grow before shooting upward, your body changes gradually through consistent daily habits. The goal isn't just to lose belly fat, it's to build a healthier, stronger, and more energetic life. Every healthy choice you make today is an investment in your future. You don't have to be perfect. You simply have to keep moving in the right direction. So choose one Japanese habit today. Practice it every day, and once it becomes automatic, add another. Small changes repeated consistently can completely transform your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health and self-improvement content. And always remember, your future health is shaped by the habits you choose today. See you in the next video.